Ladies and gentlemen, it's the season of asparagus. Until the end of May, this amazingly nutritious vegetable is at its best shape. Using a few different ingredients and techniques with the asparagus will bring out the maximum potential. 2 brunch recipes using asparagus. Let's begin. Let's start by making some clarified butter. Put a half pound of butter in a saucepan and slowly heat it up. You have to put it on low and consistent heat. Then you'll see the milk solids separating by gravity. You can skim off the milk solids on top using a spoon. Once it becomes clear golden color, you're going to strain it with a piece of cloth. And we're going to make the easiest hollandaise sauce you will ever make. Season 1 egg yolk with salt. Add a touch of lemon juice. And add a touch of water. Just a little bit. Spin this first with the hand blender. While it's spinning, add the clarified butter little by little. The important thing here is the temperature of the clarified butter. It should be a little bit warmer than your skin. If it is too hot, it's going to cook the egg yolk and that's it. You have to start over. Transfer this to a different container and keep it at room temperature or slightly warmer. Now look at this beauty. Trim off the end woody fibery part. And I'm assuming that you know this basic. And you're going to peel about maybe 3/4 of the asparagus, like this. Most fine dining restaurants serve asparagus like this. And then you're going to chop chives without applying too much pressure from the top and using a very sharp knife. Get a pot of salted boiling water ready and then you're going to blanch the asparagus for just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds, that's it. Once it's done, you're going to shock them with ice water. This is the second round of the boiling water with vinegar and salt in it. Once the water boils, kill the heat and spin the water. And you're going to drop the egg right in the center of it. And leave it in the water for 3 minutes. Scoop it out with the slotted spoon. Then you'll get this perfectly poached egg. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of the clarified butter. Then we're going to saute the blanched asparagus. Season it with salt. And you want these asparagus to swim in that clarified butter. Clarified butter has great flavor, so make sure to coat everything. And we're ready. Let's plate. I'll just prefer the classic plating for asparagus and poached egg. Asparagus on the bottom of the plate. Gently lay the poached egg on top. Hollandaise sauce to cover it and chive garnish. And I don't know why, but I feel kind of obligated to do this slow motion. Delicious asparagus and poached egg. Done. Now let's move on to the next recipe, shall we? Let's start by peeling half of a fennel. And cut this into quarters. Remove the triangular core and mandolin this. You also need finely minced shallot for the dressing. And for this one, we're going to prepare the asparagus in a different way, which is shaving using your peeler. Just shave 2 sides of the asparagus and we're going to use these ribbons for our salad. When you reach a point that you can't shave this any longer because of the angle, just cut them with a knife, random shapes. Have some toasted pistachios ready. And we need that rustic rough chop. And the dressing I want to show you is the Apricot Truffle Shallot Cherry Vinaigrette. Did I say it right? Yeah. This is such an easy dressing, but it's very elegant and flavorful. You just need to mix in all the ingredients together. Shallots, cherry vinegar, olive oil, and then truffle oil. Once you have the ingredients, this is super simple. Season it with salt and a little bit of black pepper and apricot jam. And yes, you can sub it with peach or apple or a different kind of fruit jam. The point is balancing out the acidity of the cherry vinegar. Let's mix the salad. Shaved fennel, asparagus ribbons, and some picked parsley. Season and dress the salad with about 2 tablespoons of the dressing. Make sure every corner of the salad tastes the same. Place the salad on the center of the plate. Sprinkle some chopped pistachios. Add a touch of black pepper and shave some Parmigiano Reggiano. And then you get this delicious, nutritious spring salad. Now, if you guys enjoyed watching my video, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell. And I'll be back with more in-season recipes.